one of today's jobs. We'll be trying to get rid of this water. Got a bit of ponding in one of the drains. We're going to join him up and let him flush out. We'll see how that looks. Oh, the final touch. Next job, take that bucket off and put the screening bucket on. I'm going to screen some fill sand. Hook the hydraulics up. Hydraulics are turned on. Hydraulics are set up on this side. We should be right. Next step is filling the bucket up. And lifting it over here. And then start screening it. That's the pile of sand we've screened so far. Screening bucket out of there up to here. Not too bad. It's looking like nice fill sand. And this is the stuff that the bucket's screening out. All rocks and bits and pieces. Another thing we've got to do for the day is move the dredge around. Dredge is over there. We can move it from over here. Dredge is on its own, we just got to move it into sand every now and then. Nice Arvo storm rolling in. It's coming.